Good morning and happy Saturday. I am heading out. I'm leaving at 8:30 on the dot. So a little bit later, but there's not, I didn't find any community sales by me. There were a few, but I'm not traveling a far way. Anyway, my hair, I had to like completely wet it this morning because it was doing weird things. But anyway, I'm also going to go to Hobby Lobby. I just want to get some cute Eastery things because why wouldn't I? And then my voice is still bad. And then I'm going to go to the grocery store and pick up things needed for tomorrow's dinner that I could not find at Sam's Club, which is a lot of things. But I did buy my asparagus fresh. I bought my broccoli fresh and my Brussels sprouts fresh. I'm just going to do something. I don't know. And potatoes. And I'd already had my ham from there. Anyway. And crackers and like charcuterie stuff. Anyway, I'm going to go do that. And then, so right now I'm the princess because I'm out having fun. When I get home, I'm Cinderella because, woo boy, do I have a lot to do. That's okay. I love doing all the things. I'm a little tired. I haven't been sleeping very well or enough. So it's not for lack of trying. I really have been going to bed. I've been having like leg pains and shooting pains. Just, I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to try to work on getting more magnesium. I think that might be part of my problem after doing a little bit of research. Sorry, I thought I sat on my breakfast bar, but I didn't. Fine. Anyway, I'm going to head out. And I will catch up with you later and show you, oh, you know what would be fun? To cook together. And by together, I mean I'll be cooking and recording. But you're there. I know you're there. Anyway, have a great morning, and I will talk to you soon. Really quick, before I leave. I'm listening to a book right now called The Last House on Needless Street, Needless, in case you can't hear what I'm saying. It is the biggest psychological trip I've ever been on, which is none. Anyway, it is crazy, creepy, and I'll let you know, Stephen King left a blurb on the cover saying how crazy and twisted it was, so that can only mean that it's insane. It's by Catriona Ward. Catriona, it starts with a C. Anyway, Catriona. It's incredible, but in a twisted, like, I'm almost, like, horrified to say that I find it fascinating, but I do. So I will let you know if I finish it today. Bye. Here are my Brussels. I have to still flip them over so the flat side is down, but don't they look good? Oh my gosh. So the recipe I got off of Pinterest, and it was oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, garlic, just minced garlic, and then soy sauce or tamari, yeah. But I had soy sauce, so that's what I used. And then just coat and bake. I'm so excited to try these. We have the ham hamming in the crock pot, and we have the potatoes potatoing in this crock pot. I tried a new Dunkin' flavor. It's coconut. Oh my gosh, it is so good. I made it in my French press last night, and I am drinking it for the first time this morning. It is absolutely delicious. I'll show you the package in a minute. Archer, what do you have? Archer?
What you got there?
Archer, Archer. What? Archer, what do you have? Archer. Can't get a picture of her. Alrighty, she's got asparagus. Next up is the asparagus. I have to cook it in 2 batches because it says leave plenty of room. This is called ranch crack asparagus or something like that. It has ranch dressing mix, some oil, some garlic, onion powders, salt, pepper. Trying to think. Oh, lemon zest and lemon juice. So I used a lemon off our tree. This is going to be good. And then once it's roasted, you sprinkle on roasted almonds, which I made already last night, and bacon. So pretty much all of the important foods are going to be served on or near the asparagus. And then I took a little bit of time to try to catch up on my bullet journaling. I did the layout for April and I didn't get terribly far, and I'm really behind on my books. Not reading them, but I'm behind on bullet journaling, what I thought of them, and that's okay. Summer's coming and I'll get caught up, hopefully then. So that is about it. That's all I had time to do before I went to bed that night. And yes, I eventually realized that I left out a line in my apricot peach color here, and I fixed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help me grow my channel. See you again soon. Bye.